DynamoDB sends out a lot of metrics and other information to CloudWatch, but still there are two metrics which we need to do the capacity planning and other stuff in DynamoDB which are not part of CloudWatch. These two matrices are table size and the item count within the DynamoDB table. These values can be observed in AWS CLI or from AWS console by doing a describe table API, but they are not present in CloudWatch. And this video tells you how you can send those two metrics to CloudWatch. In order to do that, all we need is three things. One is an event bridge rule, which will trigger every hour. That trigger or a rule will invoke this lambda function, and this lambda function will do a list and describe on the tables of DynamoDB and then create a custom DynamoDB matrix in the CloudWatch. That's all it is doing. So let's have a quick look at these three components. First, let's check our rule which we have defined in DynamoDB table. So let's go to event bridge. So this is my event bridge and I already have configured this rule. It's a very simple rule. All it does it runs on this event schedule of 1 minute. From here it goes to, I have changed it to 1 minute, but by default by the solution it should be every hour. Anyway, the target is this lambda function. So all it is doing is invoking this lambda function every hour. If you look at this lambda function, it is a sample AWS code, and I will put the link in the video description to this code. All this code is doing is invoking the describe API call and then storing the value and sending it to the CloudWatch matrix. Let me show you the code in VS Code where it is more easier to look at. So this is the code, and if you look at this code, all it is doing is using Boto3 to iterate through the DynamoDB tables and sending the matrix to the CloudWatch. And that's all it is doing. Very quick, nifty, easy code. Once that's done, then let's have a look as how it looks like in the CloudWatch. So if you go to the CloudWatch, you will see that there is a custom matrix. I have just named it block DynamoDB. In that one, you will see two custom matrix. One is item count and the other one would be table size bytes. And I'm just using the statistics on average every 5 minutes. And if you look at the graph, this orange line shows you the table size bytes, and then item count shows you how many items are there in this table. And that will be the case with every table. And there are a lot of use cases which you can use this matrix for in order if you're looking to do capacity planning, if you want to do any forecasting on your table size growth, or if you want to do anything to do with your provisioned or on-demand capacity units, you can use these metrics. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you very much.